There are three ways to identify a replaced iPhone screen. Compare it with another iPhone. You'll probably know by just looking at it. The white tone would be different. This is with True Tone enabled on both devices. If it doesn't have True Tone, be sure to ask further questions. This used to be the best way to check if the iPhone screen has been repaired. But our senior men have found a way to copy True Tone from one device back to the other one that has been replaced. The important display message usually pops up at the top of the settings page whenever the iPhone screen is replaced. However, on some devices, the important display message will not show at the top of the settings page. You'd have to go over to settings, click on general, then click on about. Just below the serial number, you would see the parts and service history, telling you that the display is an unknown part. As per Apple cannot verify that the screen was bought from them. You'd get this message if it is repaired by Apple. Most people don't repair their phones with Apple because of the cost of repair. If you take this IC from your original screen, your damaged screen, and put it on this screen, your replacement screen, the important display message will vanish. Poof. And that's how the senior men do it. Just like that. So how would you now know for sure that your screen has not been replaced? I'll be dropping that in the next video. Follow for more.